Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to enable cookies in Google Chrome. Enabling cookies is essential for some websites to function correctly. Please follow all steps carefully to ensure that you don't miss any important information. So first, you need to open your Google Chrome application. It does not matter what page you're currently viewing. So in the top right corner, click on the three dots. A menu will appear, and from the drop-down menu, go to Settings. Now on the left side of the settings, click on Privacy and Security. You'll see a list of options. Now locate third-party cookies and click on it. You can either click on it directly if you see it, or if not, click on the site settings. Go to Privacy and Security and then go to Site Settings. You need to scroll down and go to the Content section, and there you'll get the option of third-party cookies. Go ahead and select it. And once you're here, you'll see an explanation that a site you can visit can embed content from other sites. For example, images, ads, and contacts. Cookies set by other sites are called third-party cookies, and if third-party cookies are currently blocked, change the settings to allow. Cookies should now be working. Please note that cookies will still be blocked when you are in the incognito mode. You'll need to use normal Chrome mode for them to be active. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.